Hello, everyone. It's November 11, 2021, and you're watching me, Nikki Yu, also known as Awesome10X, for some crypto market news updates. So let's just go through some of the big events that happened over the week. So we have been seeing a lot of interest when it comes to the metaverse, and let's just read through some of the most important news rounds. Sandbox raised $93 million in a round led by SoftBank Vision Fund 2 to grow the open NFT metaverse. So for those who are aware, Sandbox, aka Dollar Sand. So you've got Animoca Brands, SoftBank. These are big ones. You've got LG Tech Ventures. Let's just go through this. Other investors included Animoca Brands, True Global Ventures, Liberty City Ventures, Galaxy Interactive, Kingsway Capital, Blue Pool Capital, LG Tech Ventures, Alpaca VC, Graticule Asset Management Asia, executives at Golden Tree Asset Management, Sound Ventures, Redbeard Ventures, SBC 10X, Polygon Studios, Samsung Next, Double Down Partners, Stakefish, Sterling VC, Hodel Company, even Wedbush Securities acted as an exclusive placement agent for the Sandbox. All right, so we can see that there is a huge interest when it comes to metaverse today. Even on the earnings call of Disney, they have discussed their entry for the metaverse. You also have Disney partnering with VeveApp for the golden Star Wars golden moments for Star Wars NFTs. Let me show you that. Golden NFT Star Wars by VeVe Digital Collectibles. Let's just go through these news bits. Okay, so Disney Golden Moments. This is the first ever official Star Wars NFT drop happening today, guys. November 11, 12 p.m. Philippine Time. So only on the VeVe app for iOS and Android. So this is the Disney Golden Moments collection featuring the most beloved characters and icons from franchises featured on Disney Plus, all receiving all gold, these Golden Moment statues for a collector's showroom. This is in celebration of Disney Plus Day, Disney, and of course, VeVe. So a lot of people are also asking about VeVe. So a few things to understand. Immutable X token is actually listed through gate.io. Immutable X is actually zero gas fees, scalability for all of the games. Let's just read through these things. No, let's go through the website. Immutable X or IMX. It is experiencing for most investors who are playing blockchain gaming. Understand that everyone wants to have zero gas fees without compromise. So a lot of people are building their layers onto an NFTs on Ethereum with a layer 2 solution. Solutions like IMX and Matic, aka Polygon, are solutions for this, and so we are seeing a lot of interest. So you've seen these investors: Galaxy Digital, Coinbase Capital, Naspers, Continue Capital. So let's just go through the definition of what Immutable X does. Since the future of asset trading is digital, we are ensuring NFTs are being traded in an open, decentralized ecosystem secured by Ethereum. So zero gas fees for peer-to-peer trading. You can set your own trading fees. There's no custodial risk. Users will keep their private keys, massive scalability, up to 9,000 plus transaction per second. So very high scalability for Immutable X. Same thing why we like Wax Chain, same thing why we like Solana. Not a centralized side chain, secured by Ethereum, which is a true layer 2 inheriting security of layer 1. And NFT, any NFT created or traded on Immutable X is 100% carbon neutral. So you've got a lot of founders building their games with Immutable X. You can see at the marketplace here, these are all the partners. You've got TikTok Top Moments. TikTok Top Moments is powered by Immutable X. So these are the moments that are also being shared by Gary V. You've got these Gary Vaynerchuk. So you've got these TikTok Top Moments trading between zero point 0.4 ETH, 4.5 ETH, 85 ETH, board in the district. So a lot of TikTok Top Moments. That's one of their clients. You've got studios. You've seen actually NFTs from Nike. Let's just read through these clients. Let's go through the clients of Immutable X Marketplace. Gods Unchained, Guilds of Guardian Heroes. They are using Immutable X Collective. So this is ability for more people to access without Immutable X is also a solution for dollar transfers and credit card transfers. So this is really something to take a watch of. Okay, so for those who are looking on it, let's just go through some quick looks. So your market cap is $3 trillion for the entire cryptocurrencies. You have Bitcoin trading at 65,000 thereabouts. You've got Ethereum trading 4,700, sometimes near 4,800, 5,000. Binance Coin trading at $625, Solana $243, Cardano $211, Ripple $122, Polkadot $48.5, and then I guess those are your most DeFi apps. You've got the meme coins like Doge at 26 cents, Shiba Inu 50 and 5228, Terra, which is Luna, Terra ecosystem at about $49, Avalanche $87, Litecoin trading still at the top 20 at at $258. Chainlink now trading at $35. So very strong movements on your top 10, mostly the DeFi assets. Let's just go through some numbers here. Let's take a look at the DeFi dashboard. So far, from a decentralized finance perspective, you've got $270 billion already staked. So a lot of crypto is being staked. That means it's hodled, or basically they are earning through yield farms. Mostly, if you look at the Ethereum DApp, decentralized app, it's mostly parked in a MakerDAO curve. So a lot of it is actually in that region. Total value locked is about $20 billion on MakerDAO, $18 billion on Curve. Convex Finance, you've got 15 billion. Compound, you've got about 12 billion. Aave, you've got 11 billion. Uniswap, you've got $10 billion. Lido, you've got about 6.8. On the Solana blockchain, you could see the highest total value lock is still with Radium. I also am staking in Radium.io. You've got Marinade Finance. You've got Serum, Saber, Orca. So those are your top 5 DEXs, decentralized exchanges for those automated market makers, and Yield Farm for those who are staking their Solana. Take a look at Matic. You've got Polygon. Largely total value lock for the Matic bridge is Aave, QuickSwap, SushiSwap, Curve. So a lot of value there. Beefy Finance, a lot of DeFi Network, and Klima DAO. Let's take a look on each sidechain. Phantom, you've got AnySwap. So yeah, those are the top one. Avalanche, what's the most important DApp in Avalanche? You've got Aave. Aave as number 1. Terra in the Luna ecosystem, you've got Anchor. So yan, Arbitrum. You've got a lot, no? Abracadabra, SushiSwap, Curve, AnySwap. So these are the most used dApps in these side chains, blockchains. For Binance, I personally use PancakeSwap. I'm more of a Binance and Polygon and Solana. I don't really use the rest. For Binance, yes, we are using some PancakeSwap whenever we do any exchange of the Binance tokens that are not listed yet in any centralized exchange. Also using Mars, even if Mars ecosystem just has $400 million. So still, we're going to give updates on that. Okay, so there. So you could see Celo, Harmony, Tron. Yun, and what are the most used dApps? Aside from that, you've got these other chains. So yun, EOS, Algorand, Elastos. Yun. Not a lot of value locked. So you could see that if you've got very few value locked, you can look at Neo if there's any, Flamingo, very little, $167 million. So everything is being built. All the dApps are being built in Ethereum and Solana, which is understandable. So yun, Ethereum, Solana, and Polygon, top 3 chains that are being used by everyone. Ethereum and Polygon mostly, and Solana. So let's take a look at the price action of these names, as well as let's take a look on some Metaverse plays as well. Okay, so still, let's take a look each one of them. With $3 trillion market cap, yeah, so far, we are still seeing Ethereum on the uptrend. There's still no signal to ensure that this has stopped. However, you could argue that at $5,000, that is a round number, and every round number will present a support and resistance going forward. So here at about 4,000 is still your minor support, and then very strong support now at about 3,000. We'll see whether it hits 5,000 or 6,000. Really depends on how much momentum the market still has for Ethereum, but still strong. Okay, for IMX, it's now traded in FTX and in as well as in Huobi, so you can see the movements. Right now, 3 to 5. Usually, you want to check out in CoinGecko. So here, Immutable X, there, IMX. Just got recently listed, so very strong for the last few days. Can see it move from about $3 all the way to about $5. This is happening within 2 to 3 days, so about 35% pop on 24 hours. Mutable X in a first for Asia. Hong Kong firms are offering crypto insurance. A lot of NFTs. That's why I think there's a lot of interest on Immutable X. As you can see, so many supporters. So many NFTs, so many projects within Immutable X. Most especially, I think it's really the VeVe apps. For more information, of course, you can just check Immutable X, their entire medium. So you can search it here, Immutable X. VeVe, welcome to Immutable X. Let's just go through these things. So VeVe is downloadable. Okay, let's just go through this. VeVe is welcoming Immutable X. This was shared since May 29, the largest mobile-first digital collectibles platform. VeVe partnered with Layer 2 protocol Immutable X to empower carbon-neutral and gasless NFT minting and marketplace on Ethereum. I think that's a huge thing. As VeveApp grows, so will Immutable X. VeVe is the leading mobile-first digital collectible platform. They announced a partnership with Immutable X, a first Layer 2 scaling solution for carbon-neutral NFTs built on Ethereum. The collaboration paves the way for VeVe to scale the app from its current user base of 300,000 collectors to provide millions of everyday consumers seamless, secure, and carbon-neutral experiences in a world of digital collectibles across all fandoms. What this essentially does is it allows you to buy a $7 comic book NFT. It allows you to buy a $10 collectible. You don't need thousands of dollars to run your NFTs in Immutable X. That's why I think VeVe and Immutable X works hand in hand, and it's very powerful. So NFTs have been around since 2014, gained popularity to become the world's most booming digital asset representing real-world items, mostly in-game items, NFT art, music, film, animation. VeVe brings premium licensed NFT digital collectibles for the mass market at the touch of your fingertips through your mobile, easily accessible. You can just download it through App Store and Google Play. With over 500,000 NFTs, millions sold in NFT transaction, the platform VeVe has united comic book fans in an ever-expanding roster of high-profile partners. So I like this because obviously you've got partners like Marvel, you've got the Star Wars, all of the Spider-Man, actually a lot of partners for VeVe. So let's go through VeVe as well. VeVe was created by collectors for collectors to bring premium licensed NFTs to the mass market. With over actually more than 1 million active users, 500,000 NFTs sold, VeVe is the largest mobile-first digital collectibles platform utilizing both blockchain and augmented reality technologies. VeVe offers premium licensed collectibles, including DC, Warner Brothers, NFL, General Motors, Cartoon Network, Star Trek, Tokidoki, Ghostbusters, Back to the Future, and more. So very strong. I think this is a very important app and a very strong update from the VeVe group. For the people who are wondering when could they cash out their VeVe gems, you can learn more. Actually, they've announced on October 15 that they are wrapping up the dollar transfers for those who want to cash out their gems towards dollars, but you have to wait it out. Yeah. So these are the most updates, drops. Let's take a look at these. No, VeVe at Designer Con Sunday, November 4th. Look on these drops. So a lot of drops happening for the month. Recently, we saw the ENS or Ethereum Name Service. It was an airdrop, and people who got an airdrop on this actually got $20,000 because 250 tokens of ENS is, well, it used to trade about $80. 250 times 80 is about $20,000. So that happened over the past few days. Yeah, here you can see that November 10, November 9. Yun. Okay, so let's take a look and read through some drops. Okay, Sunday, November 14, there will be artist drops scheduled for day 3 of DCon, Designer Con. You can get these only on the VeVe app for iOS and Android. VeVe is excited to attend the very first in-person event meeting some of the VeVe fam in lovely Anaheim, California. For everyone, whether attending or not, we will be dropping several new artists per day, so do not miss out. Designer Con is an annual art and design convention smashing together collectible toys, designer goods with urban underground pop art. DCon is over 300,000 square feet, featuring over 700 vendors, art and custom shows, live demos, and much more. The show coordinators strive to provide a fun, safe, comfortable environment for fans, artists. You've got these schedules, so you've got these designers coming out for the day three schedule. That's Sunday. Tara McPherson. So these are your artists. So these are also the drops happening. So the Wanderers drop date. Let's take a look. So listing price $45, editions 1,266, rarity rare. Usually these drops can fetch about 5x, 10x if you happen to be one of those who get those exclusive editions. So don't miss out. These are just $45 NFTs. You might want to check it out. Explosive movements, exclusivity, and rarity. So yeah, take a look at these. Designer Con exclusives coming into VeVe. So you'll learn more. Or you can see now here, these are the drops happening. So these are the listing price, $13. It's not much, paunahan yan. So Cat Bronson, what's this? $77, 888 editions. Mighty Jacks. So these are the NFT drops happening. So for those who are interested, you just download VeveApp and you can get it on the download store, app store, or in the Google Play. Also, if you don't have the gems, you can just pay Apple. It's 1:1. The gems, so you don't need to you don't need to have crypto, although it does run on the Immutable X app. So Immutable X is the blockchain protocol layer 2 solution for VeVe. All right, so let's take a look on some other news. Okay, so last few days, we have been seeing a lot of surge on a lot of mostly metaverse tokens. No, so why don't we go through some metaverse analytics? Wait, So metaverse tokens list, there's a lot. So why don't we go through this? CoinGecko already has it listed in. Okay, let's go through these charts. Axie Infinity, Decentraland, Engine Coin, Sandbox, Illuvium, Yield Guild Games, So Star Atlas. You can see that most of these are mostly trending in the last 7 days. 7 days mostly up. Radio Kaka. I don't even know what this Radio Kaka is. But yeah, so look at the market caps first. So yun, still $10 billion, Axie Infinity. Next is Decentraland with about $3 billion. Next, you've got Engine Coin at about 2.8 or 3 billion. Sandbox trading at $2 billion. Radio Kaka 1.5. Would want to learn more of Radio Kaka. I don't know much about it. First, I don't know Radio Kaka. I'll read through it. Illuvium, that is a game in Ethereum, 730 million market cap. UFO Gaming, Yield Guild Games from the Philippines. Starlink, Star Atlas. All right, so a lot of Somnium Space Cubes. Yeah, I was being encouraged to check out this one, Somnium Space Cubes. Actually, I was being encouraged to check out a lot of BSC chain games. Haven't started to learn Cyber Dragon. I haven't started to learn. There's this Elpis Battle. So Elpis Battle is a turn-based RPG NFT game. You've got NFT drops coming out. Let's just go through the Twitter. So a lot of announcements happening. Okay, so Elpis Battle. This is something that I was also being encouraged to check out. This is a #1 turn-based RPG NFT game on Binance Smart Chain. I did register for the whitelist. So we are now 5 days away from Genesis NFT Hero Minting event. We will be giving away 10 common NFT for 10 lucky whitelist addresses. So you can find the form here to get registered for the whitelist registration. Okay, so why don't we go through this IGO page, details about the IGO. Let's go through reading these updates from Elpis Battle. So this is still happening. So yun. Okay, that says here, November 12 is the mint time. It's $100 per NFT. You can now place an allocation. You can still buy 10 NFTs. All right, so recommend you want to buy at least 4 NFTs for a very full team. Okay, all right. So share this tweet, done. Your Twitter username, your address. Wait up. Wait lang. Okay, so yup, my address. I'll just add in. So Binance Smart Chain. So usually I am engaged with Binance, Wax Chain, mostly those games so far. Okay, Solana games as well. Join Elpis Battles Telegram. All right. Usually, if you want to get the whitelist, you will have to join all these official stuff. All right, Elpis Battle official. Let me just log in. Accept invite. Okay, open Discord, Telegram. Okay, wait lang ah. You have to approve all of these. Web Telegram org. By the way, just for news updates, Wanaka Farm is actually currently trading at about $1. So interestingly kasi I sold my Wanaka at about 450 to 550. So lahat ng Wanaka ko is very little. It's really just free money for me, yung mga iniwan kong Wanaka tokens. And the reason why it dropped, I believe, is because from November they are fixing the maintenance. They have maintenance. So by November 18, all the landowners can start playing. November 28, all the non-landowners can start playing. So since I haven't deposited my common land, I'm not sure if I can play November 18. Nonetheless, so far I am playing this game. Okay naman for me. And the game kasi I sold it when it was already up. So here it was rallying at about 550. I exited here. And then it rallied to about actually recently nag 4 plus yan. Yeah, I think I sold it about 4 something. So yon, I sold there. Kaya this drop near 1, medyo interesting for me to get in. With some probably I'll just buy about $100. Not much, guys. Usually I bet $100, $200. It's not much. So yon, yeah, I will be buying for the because I think hindi ko makita, I couldn't show to you right now the Wanaka farm play because it's in maintenance. Nonetheless, I do like the roadmap. So yan yung mga games that I've been playing and happily made money from. Wanaka farm because I sold naman, kaya money na yun, ROI na yan. So I'm just playing with free money now. Also, Kmon has a lot of updates. CryptoMon, let me show to you lang some games, no? Everything's loading. Okay, requirement for those who like to play, usually you have to follow the Discord. You have to also follow yung mga Twitter nila. So you have to join their battle. Ito, join Elpis Battle Telegram. Sige, I'll join it now. Elpis Battle Official. Pasok tayo. So, Elpis Battle Official. Yun. Sige, subscribe. Okay, so when I did that, done. What is your favorite race? I don't know. Angel tayo? Or human? Pwede ba dalawa? Human, angel. Sige, demon. Lahat. Submit. Okay, Genesis NFT Hero Whitelist Register. Let's see if I could get in and purchase those games. Let's take a look. All right. So far for Elpis Battle, I did register for the private beta. So let's go through the gameplay. An ancient legend told about a battle among races on a planet 1,000 years ago. That battle caused the separation division of continents from where all races live. Now all clans on the 8 continents realize they're not the only race on the planet. Then what will happen? Okay, let's watch the trailer. This, I think, 2 minutes. A minute. Let's go through it. Should we play Elpis Battle? Okay, I get it. Para siyang PvP game, player versus player game. So it does remind me of Plants vs. Undead PvP or yung mga Axie Infinity or all the Monster Infinites, all the player versus player game. Let's take a look on this. Okay, the features, it's designed with various experienced players. So $100 each monster, each of these. So parang each plant or each parang ganon. Okay, battle, mining, staking, rent, training, and more. Various ways to earn. We create a real economy in the Elpis world. It's not only a place where players conquer new lands. You can take care of the economic factor. You can conquer continents, become a lord, prepare with huge resources. You can choose to be an arms dealer to benefit without care which side to win. Okay, so you want to upgrade systems, heroes, pets, items, and skills. You've got many ways to be stronger through numerous upgrade systems. Okay, trading system, you will own your assets. Okay, got it. And you can trade it freely on the marketplace. Especially those who have never been playing game can own such assets. Yeah, so basically you can just buy the weapons if you wish. Multiplayer system. All right, so this is telling you that if you don't want to play because you have a multiplayer mode, PvP, rental hero adventure, what it tells you is that if I have so many heroes or so many characters, I can just actually cooperate and interact with others and probably rent my heroes and earn something from it. So parang my scholar manager feels. All right. Roadmap, IGO Genesis NFT heroes, IDO and pools, Crystal Glow, launch marketplace, Dex listing. Okay, so they are gonna list nga IGO, no? So this is November, so nandito pa lang tayo sa private beta, meg launch. Okay, so pasimula pa lang, December is the release of the game with, they also have a liquidity mining program. So most likely for the liquidity mining program, most likely since it's a Binance project, you will probably need Binance token and Elpis tokens to mine the Elpis. Quarter 1 2022 mobile release, yun yung PvP mode. And then hero renting happens on Q1. Q2, you will have land extension, pet mystery box, pet feature, co-op mode, tournament, clan feature. All right. So tokenomics. All right. BSC is also a Vietnamese game. So yung Wanaka Farm, it's also Vietnamese. Plants vs. Undead is Vietnamese. A lot of the games are Vietnamese. So halos same yung mga teams, no? Team advisor, they've got a vesting period of 2 years. Game incentives, taking rewards, released on demand. Okay, mostly 2 years yung timeline. These are the creators, Quang Nguyen, LinkedIn, Fang Nguyen, mga Nguyen. All right, mostly Vietnamese. These are, the entire team is Vietnamese. Game advisor, okay, mostly Vietnamese games. These are the investors. Okay, what else should we know? I think meron na rin silang, nag-airdrop din sila actually. Wasn't able to look at, also follow their official announcements to be sure kasi there's also mga fakery. Hi, we have not released our token yet. We're gonna have an IDO on Pools and Crystal Go on November 19, 2021. You will have more details here. All right. So so IDO is like parang IPO. So I also entered the IDO of Aurori. Yeah, another game in Solana. For Aurori, it's already up. I think it's now trading at $19 to $20. Let's just go through these. In Solana, this is the project that I want, diba? Aurori. So I got in at about $15. Right now it's trading 18, still holding. We'll wait for the gameplay and some. Let's take a look on the website if there are new updates as well as Twitter. I think end of November start na yung game. Let's see. It's October. So the most recent announcement was since October for the IDO. So after the IDO, November 4, they're just showing the gameplay footage. This is what you'll note with if you are playing Auri, this is gonna be single token staking coming soon. So I am bullish on Aurori game. So hindi ako magbabuy and sell niyan. I'll play the game, I'll stake it. How do I manage my risk? I just really put an amount that I really don't mind if ever mag-rot yun na. Let's just, so perfectly clear. Usually, I would bet 50,000 pesos or less. So, ganon. And then, usually, if it's up 30%, sabihin na natin 50K is up 30%, 15 reach as high as 20, I have the option to sell some at 20. I could do that para take the 15,000 profit and then yun lang yung laruin ko. And then the 50,000 capital is gone. So I can play Aurori for free. Pwedeng ganon. With Aurori, I also made money on the avatars. So yan, the NFTs on Solana. So I guess I am more happy to play Aurori given it's really a wonderful game. Aurori has so many Ubisoft veterans and lots of dashboard and incoming roadmap. They've got TSM, diba? So proud to announce that one of the top esports orgs are working and playing with them. So I'd play this, and FTX, of course, is a huge support for TSM. Unlike Binance, which has so many games, ang maganda sa Solana, they have a few games pero triple A. So I would really play Aurori. So wala, hindi ako magpa-buy and sell, not too fast unless sabihin na natin next year biglang $25. Now what if it goes no? I mean, or even what if maging $1 siya? I doubt actually, pero kasi capable yung veterans ng Aurori eh. So I don't really think there's a huge risk. But volatile, yes. Obviously, it's volatile. At 18, can it go 16 or 12 next week, next month? Yes. It can easily go 12, can easily go 30, 50-50. I don't really care. I don't really look at those price movements. I just really look on the updates and how to play the game. Mga ganon, game mechanics, play to earn. Ito, let's go through this. Are you ready to enlist? You get your heroes November 12. Sige, I'll buy it. Sana mapasok sa whitelist. Nag-register na ako, di ba? Kanina. Welcome to Elpis Battle. So you have these 8 classes. So I want to be a human, angel, demon, 7 elements. Really sounds like PvP. Oh, wait lang. Sorry, yeah. Teka, let me just say I'll call her later again. Wait up. Wait up. He said I'll just call her after this stream. So I think this is important. Usually PvP, it's wonderful because you really need some brains, no, to fight. So ito yun, mga heroes, power, genesis, elements, weapon, symbolism. Very good. We'll see, no. The people who recommended Elpis Battle to me also play games. So yun, let's check it out. Tapos ko na ata eh. Nag-register na ako. Okay, November 8th, an event you don't want to miss, NFT drops. An event just as important as the IDO event is the Genesis NFT Hero. Owning heroes will grant you certain advantages as an early supporter for the Elpis Battle. Bilhin natin yung NFT na to. Okay, there's only 25 hero supply, 25,000 NFT heroes. It will come on November 12, that's tomorrow. So, ilagay na natin to sa alert. Teka, ipipin ko. Baka makalimutan ko guys eh. $100 per hero, whitelist registration. You can buy 4 heroes for the pre-seed round, 4,000 heroes, 12,000 for the whitelist public sale. Remaining 4,000 is in the public sale round. 5,000 heroes will not be sold. Like actually, nakalimutan ko guys the other day, November 9, may Cryptomon na $95 eggs. Wala, hindi ko nabili. That's cheap, kasi $500 yung pinakamura sa marketplace. I think $500 to $600. So it's $100 lang nila binibenta. Wala, na-late ako eh. Yeah. So be aware lang of these things. Link to the Genesis NFT Hero Mint event. So I guess when you are considered in the whitelist address, if after you register, you can hop onto the Mint event. Ayun. Sige. So, lagay ko na lang yan sa pin message ko yan. Okay. So, yeah. How many rounds of Genesis NFTs hero sales are there? Okay. There will only be 2 rounds of Genesis NFT hero, pre-sale and public sale. Pre-sale is about, for gaming guilds, there are a total of 4,000 heroes. Pag-aagawan yata itong NFTs na to, guys. Check it out. The usage of NFT heroes, let's take a look. Not only considered collectibles, but NFT heroes are used in turn-based RPG Elpis Battle. It looks to me similar to Splinterlands a little bit. Kasi turn-based RPG. We'll see. I'll see. We don't know pa. But it's a new game. Let's check it out. Let's follow details. Important IDO announcement. So ito yung mga important dates. November 19, the token price will start at 0.03. November 19, 2021. Usually, I would just put it in my watch lists. So pin natin yan, the Elpis Battle token and the Elpis NFT Heroes. Usually, I would have both. Bibili akong konti. I take the risk. Bahala na. Ganun lang ako. And then you follow all the announcements here. I also played my journey. I'll just share to you my journey. I also am playing this one, scarygames.io. I bought 2 monsters, hindi pa ako bumili ng door. Then there is an airdrop game for you to get like BNBs. Sorry, they're not giving away Binance. They're giving AutoShark and AutoShark, which is Jaws, and scary tokens. So ganun lang yan. If you want to get free rewards, let's play now. Dito lang yan. Okay, you drag. Ay, yun. Bisan to, I do this every day para lang to get the airdrops, but this airdrop is random. Random to. This is also a BSC game, guys. Nasa Binance to. Just read through the Binance updates usually. Nandun naman yan. Wala, ganyan lang siya. So I bought my scary games. Ang mga developers nito, this I think is American gumawa. I'll share. Okay, so ganyan. Wala yan. Sabi naman niya airdrops are random. So kahit gawin mo yan every day, I try to do it every day. Parang random lottery ticket. Do I win on lottery tickets? Hindi rin, pero wala. I just play. Rules, you submit every day for rewards. Only 10 random wallets will be selected for receiving a scary token airdrop. Random selection every day for prizes in cakes and jaws. So every day, I don't know how many people are playing. Let's say 1,000 people are playing. 1% gets a token. But every day yan. So random naman yan. You can buy the NFTs on Babylon. That's where I bought it. You can see this is the first NFT game consisting of a basic system created to reward holders and players. So here, monsters, there's only 1,000 Genesis Monster NFT cards to be minted. The monster is an active player in the Scary Doors game. Player will visit as many doors that they want, receiving rewards each visit. Each monster can enter 5 doors per day. I have 2 monsters. I bought my monster at about 0.2 BNB. So of course, it depends how much your BNB cost is. Let's say you bought your BNB at about $300. Okay, so 350, let's say, or $400. Edi $80 yung cost mo. It all depends how much your BNB is. Right now, Binance about 600. So 0.2 BNB would be about $120. So yun, that's how they did their NFT mint sale. 0.2 BNB for a monster, and then 0.7 BNB for a door. If the player wants to visit more doors, their monster can buy a magic potion, allowing them to enter 5 more doors to get more tokens, which will cost 2.5 scary. Each level will have more rewards for the players as their scary level goes up as well. All the monsters are unique digital NFTs, and they will all begin at 0.2 BNB at the same level. The monster levels up visiting the doors during the game. So basically, upgrade natin yung monster. Each 100 doors visited will grant 1 level up until level 500. So level 1 to level 500. Obviously, if you have a monster na naging level 500, or sabihin na natin, level 200, I would assume that is, of course, more expensive as a monster versus a level 10 monster. So ganon, i-upgrade mo rin yung monster mo. So I'm gonna have to play the game. Now, the doors is similar to like a landowner. 100% of the sales from the Doors NFT is going to be reverted to AutoShark.Finance, returning a high APY for the holders in Jaws or Cake. So actually, napaisip din ako, should I own the door? Medyo weird nga eh. Maybe I'm wrong for not buying the door. 0.7 BNB yung door. Simply by staking a door on the game, 10% of all the scary tokens will now be shared between the 300 door holders and rewarded through the visits from other players. Cake door grants a share of 1/150 of Cake pool. Jaws doors rewarded 1/150 of the Jaws pool. So yun, you can buy monster cards. You can also buy scary doors. Partnered with Binance, CoinGecko, DappRadar, Forbes, PancakeSwap, Babylon's, CoinMarketCap, AutoShark Finance, Solid Proof, Certic. So yun, I am I am a sucker for cute stuff and mga passive, easy games. So, I mean, just in case you're watching this, I don't really look at it from an ROI perspective initially. Parang, sige, let's just play this. Okay, so about us. Our company has been assisting NFT gaming and blockchain projects since 2017. We are from Portugal, Europe, Lisbon capital. We collaborated with Satoshi Games, Titans, amongst others. And yun, we want to also bring our own virtual autonomous worlds, integrating people and bringing fun. So yun. Watch this and check this out if you wish to play the game. Yun. You can buy the monsters here at Babylon NFTs. Let me show to you that. Dito yun eh. Babylon NFT. I'll just type it in. Ito, babylons.io. So Babylons.io is an NFT marketplace. Of course, they also have their own token, BAPI, BAPI. Leading game aggregator, NFT marketplace for the BSC. So usually when you play games, you will earn NFTs. Where will you sell your NFTs? Sa mga NFT marketplaces like Babylon's. So take a look on the partnerships. Ito na yung mga partners, all the games, and also the wallet supporting them. So yun, marami na yan. I'm playing this one, Scary Games. Wanaka Farm, I'm also playing this. Yun, you can check it out. Yan. Actually, I was checking even yung mga pambata games. Then when you go to the home, you can go to the marketplace kagad. Then usually may mga staking portals yan, guys. A lot of people are asking me, what if I'm an artist? Can you just teach me how to mint my own NFT? There's a lot of tutorials. Let's read through this. Weekly reward mechanism goes live. 227,500 Babbies are given every week as long as you trade NFTs to get airdrops from the weekly reward pool. Participate now. So basically, if you are trading the NFTs, you can buy and sell. They'll give you a reward. I'll show to you Scary Games. So si Scary Games, type mo lang yan, lalabas yung collection. Search. Scary. Ito, Scary Games. Scary_games pala. So yan, collections, naka-BEP siya. So BSC yan. So ito yung Scary Monsters. Let's see. Tsaka yung Scary Doors. Yan. On sale. So there's 1,000 unique Genesis monsters. May nagbebentang mas mura. O yan, mas mabibili niyo pang mas mura. Ito, may nagbebenta. 0.11 BNB. $69 lang. Ito, maybe okay to. Maybe I'll buy a few of these. Medyo interested ako. Actually, bibili ako ng I would probably buy yung door. Tingnan ko kung naging mura yung door. Hindi pa kasi nagsa-start yung game. So baka yung ibang tao they don't know what's gonna happen. So yun, on sale. 0.7 pa rin yung doors. So yeah, 0.7 BNB. Okay, so yun, something for you to check out. Baka interesting. The cake door, the Jaws door. Most likely I get I'll probably get a cake door, pancake swap door. Whoa, bakit? Yan. You can check out Babylon's app. Marami kang matututunan. Just check the NFTs, the games there. What should I share? Sige, let's take a look on our, di ba last week we taught you about the Mars ecosystem. Take a look at that. Okay, let's see how our Mars ecosystem staking pool went. Okay, so when we staked, XMS was 1.12, I think. Nag 1.4 siya, tapos ngayon back ulit sa 1.19. After a week, how much did we earn? Ito, $200 yon, earned $9. Not bad. So next week, another $9. So in 1 month, $36 on a $200 stake. In 1 year, 36 times 12 is, magkano yun, guys? Sabihin na natin 10 months na lang. 36 times 10 months is $360. So, am I willing to hold on to this and take the risk? Yes, I would hold on to this and take the risk. Anyway, as you can see, maliit lang naman yung mga amounts na yan. I can withhold I can withstand any. In fact, if XMS fell, BNB fell, most likely I will stake some more liquidity pool tokens in the Mars ecosystem. So yun, that's one thing for people who are staking. I am still doing this one. Let me also show to you a few things. I shared naman that Dodo, I am using this decentralized app. I'm gonna stake some Binance dollars today to you, for you, show you lang. Liquidity, sige. I have some extra Binance dollars here. Nagbenta ako ng konti. So, yun. I'll just put this and stake it now. $5,000. Wait lang ah. So, yun. Very easy lang naman. So, meron na dyan. So, instead of I put my money in the bank, I will just add liquidity here. So, add here, maximum, add liquidity. Confirm. So, ginagawa ko lang siyang parang time deposit. Okay. Max. Add liquidity. Confirm. View on B. Ayan. Okay, done na yan. Okay na. Tama ba? Ulit ha. Hindi ko alam kung nag-fail eh. Na-add ko ba? Let me see kung nawala yung 5K ko. Yeah, contract interaction done. So, dapat nawala yung 5K. Tama, ubos na yung 5K dyan. Alright, so since naubos na yon, let's now put it in the liquidity pool mining. Okay. Dapat ma-add ko. Wait lang ah. Wait. Go to the mining. Stake LP. So, kailangan ko i-add yung 5K. Wait up ah. My liquidity only. Stake Binance. Ayun o, 5.5. Pasok natin. So, yung 3,000, in case you're wondering how much should it earn, ayan, for a week, $8. Not bad. Stake max. Stake and claim. Confirm. So, what I'm just doing is teaching you how to do DeFi deposits, decentralized finance. It's a peer-to-peer. So, Dodo X is a peer-to-peer exchange. Do I want to stake? Tapos na. Okay, stake. Done. So, pasok na yan. 8,600. Na-claim ko na yung rewards. So, yung rewards, pasok na siya dito in my Dodo. Ayun, my Dodo. How much is Dodo right now? I think last week, nasa 1.5 ba siya? How much is it? Let's see. Kano ba si Dodo? Dodo. 1.6. Okay lang. Yeah. Wala, steady lang. Usually, I don't think too much. Less emotions. Basta accumulate lang. Tapos, time dep lang. So, ganun lang. Time deposit. Now, if you want, of course, pwede yan. If you want it to be stable, magkano ba yung high? Magkano to? 1.8 a month ago. Tapos 1.6. So, mga 1.6 to 1.8. Alright, so if you want, yun, maximum 7 times 1.6 is about $10, diba? You can also like convert it to a stable coin, $11, $12. If I confirm this, pwede ko i-stake yan. And then yun, everything is stable. Pero siguro iwan ko na lang yan. Pag siguro mga $40 to $100, saka ko siya i-convert. I think it's immaterial naman to convert everything if small amounts. Yeah, so hindi ko muna yan i-convert. Iwan lang dyan. Okay, so close Dodo. Let me show to you, quick lang, no? I know a lot of people are asking me how to mint. Pasok tayo ulit sa OpenSea. How do you make your NFT? Yun. So very easy lang. It's actually as simple as uploading an image. First and foremost, you have to have your own MetaMask. So OpenSea, I would be using Ethereum mainnet. Pasok tayo sa Ethereum. Or pasok tayo sa Matic mainnet. So Matic tayo para mura. Okay, Polygon. Alright, so create. Ganyan lang yan. Create. Ganito lang yan for those who don't know how to mint. Okay, sign in. Create a new item. Image, video, audio, 3D model. Pasok tayo ng image. Anong image? Teka lang ah. Hanap ako ng image. Something na hindi ako maka-copyright. Ito na lang. Kunwari ito. Awesome10X image. So, Awesome10X girl. External link if I wish. Awesome10X girl example. Collection. Usually, lalagyan mo pa ng properties if you wish, mga ganyan-ganyan. Number of copies, are you gonna make 1,000 copies of the same thing? Pwede rin one lang. So, one na lang. This is the number of copies that can be minted. No gas cost to you. Quantities above one coming soon. Blockchain, is it gonna be on Ethereum or Matic? I'll do it na lang through Polygon para mabilis, para cheap. Tapos yun, create. You created Awesome10X girl. Okay, yun na. Now, I've created it. Untitled collection owned by me. Do I need to list it? Created by who? Me. Awesome10X girl example. About details. So, since wala akong nilagay dyan, yun lang yan. Tapos, Polygon, naka-token standard, naka-mint na yan. Tapos, let's say I want to post a sell. May bayad kasi yan if ever magpo-post ako. List the item for sale, then put a service fee, how long, tapos will you give royalties, blah, blah, blah. So it's just like that. It's as easy as that. So ganun lang, guys. Now, I'm gonna edit this since I'm not really interested to do that selling. Delete item. Are you sure you want to delete this item? Yes, delete. And just like that, that's how you mint your NFTs on OpenSea. Of course, there's so many ways. You can also follow Solana tutorials, Cardano NFT tutorials. Anyone without a coding knowledge can mint their NFTs. So it doesn't take any tech code for that. Okay, so don't worry about it. Yun. Let's take a look on comments if ever. Hi. Good morning from Bahrain. Is it right what I'm feeling now that the top 10 cryptos are getting less volatile and it's more safer to park my capital mid to long term? Because cryptos right now are being staked, hodled, and a lot of the top 10 cryptos are getting a lot of buyers from the institutions. If we were to assume a drop, I'd say that a drop would be about 50%. Still possible because it's crypto, but probably not in the 95% down zone. Meaning, example, does it seem as if like 5,000 Ethereum can go down to $500, like 90% down? Probably not, but can it go down 50%? Probably yes. So we can still never tell, but I think like we will not get the 90% drops anymore. Okay, ask lang. I didn't want to reveal kasi when I was bullish on crypto but I have some I was I had my crypto in 2017 during the bullish phase. It fell down. I was I understood na about $80 Ethereum, it was cheap, but I wasn't expecting it's gonna go like $5,000 naman. More like wala, nandyan lang sa wallet, nakatago-tago lang. Then yeah, 2019, 2020 had been more focused on the global markets, to be honest. But during 2021, I knew that malakas yung cryptocurrencies, a lot of alts, a lot of crypto. So I felt that nothing wrong to learn play to earn game. I think play to earn games are still very new. NFTs are still very new. So like I was saying, Aurori, wala pa naman yan nung dati pa. Kakaumpisa lang yung game. Sandbox, actually before the move of Metaverse, I forgot to share pala. Yeah, it was about 70 cents. Actually, I know some people, syempre, sure, 1,000x, papahinga na sila. They don't need to do anything. Stake lang sila. You can earn about, di ba, like, magkano lang ba Binance? $7-8 lang in 2017. Ngayon, it's about $600, $700, let's say. So, 100x ka na ng pera mo. Even if it's $1,000, edi $100,000 yun. So, I think like, but what's the implication for the people who aren't invested? Number one, don't FOMO. It's okay. There's so many tokens that will probably devalue 99% down. So hindi naman likely. It's unlikely, for example, Bitcoin to go from about $70,000 to 7,000. Maybe it won't fall 90% anymore. But I think it can fall 50%. Is it possible? Oo naman. 50 to 70% or 80% kaya nga actually. Pero hindi na siguro 90% or 99% down. Yun lang yung tingin ko. 20% normal lang yun. I mean, any single day, biglang mag-hura-hura or somebody, it can fall 20% any single day. So I wouldn't be too... okay lang, parang neutral lang. How do you approach disinflation news? Um, a lot of you can watch a lot of classes, by the way. For inflation, a lot of people are hedging, obviously, in many asset classes. Commodities is one. Like you've seen how many commodities rallied because there's a scarcity, whether it be silver. Uh, I'm not a gold fan, but gold also is a hedge for others. Of course, others did it through Bitcoin. So a lot of precious metals, a lot of cryptocurrencies are seen as an inflation hedge. More in particular for Bitcoin, gold, silver. I think those three. Is it time to go defensive? I would be more of the view that I'm actually very bullish on the metaverse. So it's not related to inflation. I think it's very resilient. So, for example, this week we have a lot of Roblox call options. We did very well on the metaverse plays. I would assume if you've got a lot of metaverse tokens, whether that be Wax Chain, Engine Coin, Sand, yung Sandbox, you've got a lot of good moves. Ay, grabe, 1 hour na pala. I didn't notice, guys, 1 hour na pala ako nagsasalita. Sorry. I thought like it's 20 minutes now or 30 minutes. But yeah, I think, there's nothing wrong about going defensive. You could see I have some dollars, stable coins. I've got cash. I think like it's normal to be balanced. You aren't supposed to be all in. Baka magulat ka, biglang 40-50% down, like tomorrow or next week or next month, biglang 30,000 Bitcoin, magulat ka. To me, I'm not worried kasi ganun yun eh. That's how it is. I'm even telling people, 90% down, kaya mo? Kasi ganun yun eh. If you think na hindi yan 90% down possible, you're living in a world that does not know or that does not understand how it is, di ba? 1,200 fell to $80 dati, di ba? 2017 to the 2018 lows. So that's like 92% down. Possibly hindi naman babagsak na 90%. Sabihin na natin 50%. So whatever the top is, 5,000 to 25 or 5,000 to 1,000, is it impossible? No. Nobody thinks it's impossible. How do you stake ETH? Sushi Swap, find a lot of farms in Sushi Swap or Uniswap, but QuickSwap is more of mga Matic. So yun, depende sa mga gusto mong i-stake. So parang similar, same lang sa NFT and artwork selling. Yeah, a lot of artists, musicians, they do NFTs for their projects, and that's how they make money. Creator economy. There's a $1 billion fund happening for Facebook's Metaverse, and there's also a $1 billion fund for Binance. So if you're a creator, this is your time to sell your works and NFT it. Lahat naman kaya mag-NFTs. You don't need coding language. Obviously, if you are a voxel artist in Sandbox, marami rin Filipinos gumagawa nun. Learn the voxel language. Sa Sandbox, marami yun. You can do a lot, no? You can create your own NFTs, you can create your own avatars, characters, and sell it. Cardano has a lot of NFTs, but personally speaking, parang hindi ako natutuwa sa mga Yoroi wallet, Cardano NFTs. Maybe I'm different. You can, of course, go through very expert videos. You can go straight sa mga Bankless Nation is very good. Real Vision Finance Crypto is very good. I mean, I'm not somebody who's an expert. I'm just sharing my journey. I'm not even telling people na, the reason why I don't want to share too much is because it's not because I don't want to share. It's because I don't want people to, syempre you always have to have disclaimer. What if they lose money? What if they don't understand the volatility and the dangers, etc., etc. So I have been less boisterous in sharing about it. Only because I'm scared of the repercussions. I'm scared of people saying scam and blah blah blah. So I'd rather I'd rather be quiet, and then if I believe in it, I don't need to share it out loud. I just am a quiet believer. Pwedeng ganun naman. So either way, I think nowadays people are not quiet naman. They're sharing it out loud, how many Ethereums they have or whatever. So or Binance. I think in general, if you stake your Binance, Ethereum, Solana, if you're holding your Bitcoins, I mean, obviously we don't know the top, but if you're taking profits, not a problem. If you're holding it, not a problem as well. It's really case to case, diba? I don't know what your goals are. I don't know your exposures are. So yun, it's something that is a personal game. I think it's a personality thing. Also, I do believe that Philippines is well ahead of many countries. Philippines has a lot of Axie Infinity players. That as well is a very good thing. Filipinos have a lot of maybe YGG tokens. I'm not saying that Axie Infinity and Yield Guild games will keep on going up, no, but there are a lot of competition. There's gonna be a lot of play to earn games. So ang suggestion really is actually for play to earn games, go to these channels, go to channels ni Dagdag Kita, si Chai TV, go to kay Ross Charles. They do it every day. So ako, I'm just doing it more like a passive crypto market updates. I help beginners, tell them na, oh, madali lang. If you need to cash out, you just go to Binance peer-to-peer transfers. I think that the majority of Filipinos in the world, we have about 200 million crypto people nowadays. What will it take for it to be a billion people? A lot of institutions, a lot of retail, and a lot of gamers. So I think within about 2 to 3 years, you will see a lot more adoption. It doesn't have to be on the top cryptos. But obviously, since all the dApps, decentralized apps, are mostly focused on Ethereum, on Polygon, on ako personally, if I'm doing long term, it's still gonna be the same stuff, no? Ethereum, Polygon, Wax Chain, Matic. Matic is Polygon, probably Solana. Then you play the game that you believe in. Sample, yung mga tao, nag-Axie Infinity sila forever and ever. Let's say I would play the game, even if patay yung PVU, I'm playing it. I'm playing the PVU, I'm playing the PVPs. I'm playing a lot of Binance games. I'm probably gonna play Elpis Battle. I will probably try to learn Cyber Dragon. I think if you play, you have to also sell, di ba? So what I usually do is, I play, let's say, nag-Binance ka naman, kumita na yung Binance mo, lahat ng kinita mo sa Binance, you play the games and see if, now the games can go 90% down, 99% down, but the games can also go up. So usually when the games go up, I will also sell even if 50 to 100% up. I will take my capital and then lahat ng laro ko doon, play money na. I think that's one way to really make it, to make yourself able to play. So sample, I think the people who are playing Wax Chain games like Farmer's World, Aliens World, Colonize Mars, those are some games in Wax Chain. Masaya na sila na yung Wax Chain nila umangat, they sold na already their capital, and then they're just playing whatever they can mine and stake, and yun, usually ganon. So wala kasi akong alam na Cardano games. So, hindi ako makapag-explore masyado sa Cardano. I personally am more involved in the gaming arena. So, I mean, that's how I prefer. I prefer the play-to-earn movement. So, usually, I would prefer to play yung mga passive games. Kasi I can't devote my entire work life into playing all day. Although I think a lot of Filipinos, especially the BPOs, some of them in the Philippines are playing games full time. So yun na talaga yung livelihood nila. I'm very different, so I'm just playing it more on a passive manner, guys. I would have some heroes or plants. I would have some NFT characters. Ganun lang ako. So for Cryptomon, I do have a plan to buy my own Cryptomon, pero I hope to get my Cryptomon eggs through lotteries or through their treasure hunts. A lot of necessity in reading and announcements, whitelist, ganyan yan. It's not like, for the people who assume na, madali to make money on play to earns and NFTs, it's not true. You always have to be up to date in the drops. So, yun, I think like the people who make their money on the play to earn movement, it's not an easy thing, and it's a job. It's a job. If you think about it, are they playing? It is a job. Even if they're playing, it's still a job. Okay. So what passive games do you reco? To me, sobrang passive game ng Alien World. Wanaka Farm is a passive game. Pero right now, si Wanaka Farm, November 18 and November 28 pa siya mag-open. If it goes down $1, you can probably buy some Wanaka Farm tokens muna so that you are prepared already to buy, to play the game when it opens up. Madali lang yung game. It's like a breed game, farming lang, nagplant ka lang ng apple, cabbage, koi fish, yun lang. Medyo madali yung game. I haven't studied pa yung Binary X, yung Cyber Dragon. It's also an easy game daw. Passive game lang yun. Colonize Mars is also a passive game. Mostly sa Wax Chain, maraming passive games. Mataas na yung Farmer's World, but those who started with Farmer's World, sobrang tiba-tiba na sila doon. Marami na silang na-capital out doon. So usually, ang trajectory talaga if you're playing games is number one, play a game, tapos get your capital out if you can, so that you can just play the game and mine enough. Parang it's like you're really getting, let's say, 500 pesos every now and then. For Alien Worlds, just to give you a rundown, no, how much do you earn in a day? It's about, sabihin na natin, you mine about 10 tellurium a day. I don't know if kaya mo mag 10 tellurium. Sobrang addict na yon. Siguro mga 3, sabihin natin 3 tellurium. Tellurium tuloy, trillium. So 3 trillium, that would just be a small amount. Parang magkano ba trillium ngayon? Tingnan natin Trillium. I think this one is good Aurori, if you wish to check it out. TLM. Overcapacity. Sorry. Close natin to. Yung crypto mo, nagbenta na ako eh. So, yung kalahati ko dyan is, I'll just play yung, basically free money. I'll play it with free money. I think yung choice, the way talaga to make money first is, you have some of the top cryptos, and then yung mga side chains nun. Pero I wouldn't advise people to buy today. Mataas na kasi eh. Mataas na yung mga top cryptos. As you know, $3 trillion na yung market cap ng crypto. So, I don't know if magiging 1.5 trillion market cap, but assuming magkaroon ng mga 50% drops, that's when you try. And then also yun, bantayan yung mga NFT drops. Like what I said, yung Elpis Battle, bago lang to, November 12. Kung gusto nyo simulan, usually ako, I want to play a game na hindi ako late. So, binabantayan ko yung mga bago pa lang, una pa lang, coming soon pa lang. Kasi example, Splinterlands, late ka na dyan, if ever. Guild of Guardians, Illuvium, I think you're late na kung papasok ka dyan. So, you have to be watching for ano yung mga games na upcoming na magaganda. So, ang masasabi ko lang sa mga bago is check out Aurori, check out Elpis Battle, and then check out the drops, yung Immutable X. So, yun na yun. Sorry guys, ang haba I think safe naman yung hawak mo. If you have Solana, Ethereum, Polkadot, Kusama, I think you have a safe play. People are asking about the best metaverse place. I'm having a hard time to really assume the best metaverse place. What I have would be, I have simple stuff like, Facebook Meta platforms, wearables. For crypto, I would still argue na Engine Coin interoperability would do very well. I'm not sure if yung mga Wax Chain, Solana, or a specific game would be the best way. Actually, I'm a fan of Decentraland. Decentraland is very good, Mana, but Mana has been pushed up already. So I have a difficulty suggesting to people that they should buy Mana. Maybe if it goes down, not at current levels. I'm hesitant to buy anything at current levels, to be honest. I'm hesitant to buy anything in the cryptocurrencies right now. But I'm not saying that it's gonna fall. More like parang, I just don't know. Maybe it goes up, maybe it goes down. It's like I don't care. It's like, who cares, diba? If it goes down, then it goes down. If it goes up, it goes up. Ganun lang ako. That's just how I think about it. But the best metaverse place is still very murky. Don't assume that Decentraland is the winner. Don't assume that I wouldn't rule out a 50 to 80% decline on some of the metaverse tokens today. People assume metaverse is Decentraland or Sandbox. It could very well change. So it's very murky. Let's just give even the metaverse time to evolve. The key is you follow the space. All the FANGs are obviously all in with the metaverse, whether it be Facebook, Microsoft. So obviously, even your FANGs are definite winners on the metaverse. But the most scrutinized is Facebook. So I'd rather go for Facebook at $330 if you're looking to plow some money right now. $330 to $300, I would still buy Facebook, aka Meta. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much. It's been a long conversation. See you again. Tomorrow we have a free Friday class, Global Market Updates. Thank you. Bye-bye.